ready to meet him yet. He may take revenge. You're dead. Besides, he's not dead. We are dead. Did you feel that?
Yes, I did. I've some charms. Let's go!
Look at that! It's a 5-star home. Berries, seeds, chopped worms, my favorite!
A bit quiet though.
Once we move in, it will come alive.
True. Hey, show off. Not expecting visitors.
Food for the guests.
Food for the guests. Food for the guests.
You two sure bring some life to this place.
We accept your offer.
What offer?
We agreed to it.
Did we?
Agree to what?
We're moving in.
Are you?
We're taking subdivided flat.
You're welcome. Just if you can come in, look.
Oh.
Well, unless he lets you in.
Hey, you two, open the gate.
Open the gate.
Shoo. Shoo.
What do you want? Food?
I feel there's a bond between us.
Sheep.
Yeah, let me in. I'll be your pet.
Sheep.
We want you to sing Happy Birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you.
If we sing, they may let us in.
Is it worth trying?
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
She's singing.
Oh no!
What are you doing?
What are these? Imposters? Eureka! Imposters, of course. Who says only the Nightingale can sing? You can sing. You can sing. And I can sing. Funny how big events always start with something small. Lump in the throat, a twitch on the cheek, a note out of tune that is music no more. That black and evil day of winning or the fight, when my sweetheart crept to me, hissing these words to my face. If you're as good as what you say, do the impossible, sing to me. I sucked in the cold air, ready to hit that high sea. I'd melt her heart with my trembling note. Naked, how they smirked, tumbled to the dirt. I swore I'd never, I swore I'd someone is here. My lord, the people are sick. We need medical help. The people are asking for exit permits. For those who are certified healthy, can we issue them the permits and let them leave the place? If we let them go, who will be there to do the work? Work? There's an outbreak. People can't work. On the contrary, they need to work. I have a stroke of genius. Seal up the factory area. We must start right now. I must get it done by tomorrow. Go! All these years have elapsed. I'm still winning every fight. Come closer, you will see the scars of my glories. You should see the marks I left, were gripped and torn and bit. I sniff the air, the smell of green in every corner. This world belongs to me. Shopping, guts. Bring me the best club, please. Yes, my lord. Off he goes to the country's greatest mechanics, bent on one wish, to present the best gift to the emperor.
And to that effect, work starts with the greatest urgency.
Elsewhere, work is non-stop to prepare for the sumptuous birthday dinner.
Only the Nightingale is left unnoticed, and a handyman.
But something is looming ever nearer, feeding on the despair around them till you burst. But I say the greatest music is shopping, singing solo. It's done!
How many dumplings now?
114, 115.
115. Now that's a good number. Ginger, take a rest. You've rolled enough pastry to make dumplings for the whole kingdom. Of all the girls, you're my favorite. I mean, Garlic is smart, but boys are the only thing she thinks about.
I thought you told Garlic she's your favorite the other day.
But that was after she broke up with the boy in the stable. I had to say something nice to her.
And you're being nice to me now, Chef. Thanks. I'm thinking about the Nightingale.
Oh, the bird. She'll be put in the palace. She'll have a better life than ours. Why bother?
Well, you used to say it was silly of me dreaming of life being a court lady.
But that's different. The bird's the Emperor's new fancy. You're not. Is that why you're sad?
No, not sad. I'm angry. I'm angry that nothing is within our control. I used to look at the Nightingale, listening to her songs, and believe that things can be right after all if something so beautiful exists. But that's not true.
Because any second, your cage will snap shut, and your life isn't yours anymore.
What if everyone is in the cage? What does it matter?
It matters to me. I can chop, I can sew, I can work till I drop. Dip my hands in ice cold water, make me wrap 10,000 dumplings. Or worse, even worse, leave me out there in the cold with nothing but these rags till I shiver and I beg. Even then I won't be mad.
No, not my vinegar!
But leave me with the hope one day I'll spread my wings and fly from these sorrows.
Work of a lifetime.
Leave me with the hope some things that were living for someone you can love. Why play a game you cannot win? Why tread a path you're about to fall if life has nothing to offer at all? So leave me with the hope.
How can you make good dumplings when you don't put your heart into it?
Why put your heart in it if no one's eating it?
No one? Oh
They can
no!
smack, they can sneer, they can laugh till they burst. Tell us we hardly matter.
No one eats my dumplings? Unthinkable.
Or worse, even worse, lift me up high in the sky with nothing in my reach till I stumble and I fret. Even then I won't be mad.
I would be mad!
But leave me with the hope one day I'll spread my wings and fly from these sorrows.
You make the most awesome dumplings!
Leave me with the hope some things were living for someone you can love. Why play a game you cannot win? Why tread a path you're about to fall if life has nothing to offer at all? So leave me with the how I long to change my stars, to master my own fate. Life should be a feast, yet how I starve. The days go by, yet how I live, with the hope that things may change. So leave me with a hope.
But it isn't that bad. You still have your life here with me, with us.
When we have no power over the air we breathe or the water that we drink, when nothing living can be the way they are born to be, what sort of world is this?
Ginger, you've really grown up. Your brain's got more juice than your dumplings.
Ew, chef, that's disgusting.
So you're not like what they say?
What?
You're not fancying any guy?
No.
Good. We women should be strong and independent. We shoulder half of the sky. I think men are a waste of time.
Yes, they are. When they're nice to us, there's always a reason.
You're right. They never think of our feelings.
When they fancy us, we're like cherries. Then
They spit you out like the stones.
Yes! Chef, I never knew you had a guy.
Oh, me? Never.
Then how do you know all that?
Garlic told me. I guess it must be the same for everybody.
Well, I guess you're right. You know, I have decided to stop thinking about guys and stay here with you. We'll make the best dumplings.
My dear girl.
Chef, Lotus Seed, that's your name. I've been looking for you. Hello, Ginger. I found out your name is Lotus Seed.
So?
You said I could come and see you again if I found out.
All right. You said you were looking for us.
Oh yes, I was thinking of dumplings.
Dumplings? Are you sure?
Yes, you see, where I come from, we have a special kind of dumpling.
Yes?
I'll show you. You roll it
Okay.
like
Oh,
this.
okay.
You make the pastry. Then you put the meat in.
Yes?
Blow. No, not you. Now you wrap it.
What's so special about that?
Oh, we just make a wish together.
We?
I've traveled so far, and now I've found my journey's end. It's you, lotus seed all along. You are the kindest, bravest woman I've ever seen.
Are you mad?
Ginger.
Another madman. I'm sure you haven't come here to make dumplings.
Oh, yes, please, I'm starving. No. Ginger, listen to me. Chef, can you help?
So, you're the one who spat out the stones after you picked the cherries?
Of course I do. Everyone does, right? Wait. What's going on? Sometimes it's dumplings, sometimes it's cherries. Ginger, I really need the exit permit to get out of Grey Zone. Catching the Nightingale is my only chance.
If you sing, you must sound lovelier than the nightingale.
Really?
What's he saying?
He's saying that the exit permit is lovelier than the nightingale?
What? No, tell her I have a plan.